I would request Sri Dulip Chand Karel to make a presentation on the status of hereditary in Goldsmith and the Gold Control Act. Over to Dulip Chand Karel.
आदरणीय चेयरमैन सर, बोस जी का अभिनंदन और सभी हमारे मित्र जो बौद्धिक क्षमता रखते हैं उनका एक जगह संगठित होना एक अच्छी निशानी है। ये बहुत अच्छी बात है। ये कहीं ना कहीं हम विश्वकर्मा समाज को कुछ न कुछ अच्छी दिशा अवश्य देगा। यदि हम इसी ढंग से चिंतन करते रहे तो आप मान के चलिए कि कहीं ना कहीं कुछ न कुछ उपलब्धि हम प्राप्त करेंगे। अब आइए विषय पर आ जाता हूँ सर कि गोल्ड कंट्रोल एक्ट 1963 राष्ट्रपति द्वारा लगाया गया था। दैट वाज कन्वर्टेड इनटू एक्ट इन 1968। उसके बाद में लगातार ये इंस्पेक्टर राज आ गया और गोल्डस्मिथ कंट्रोल बन गया। गोल्ड कंट्रोल गोल्डस्मिथ कंट्रोल बन के रह गया। देयर वाज अ लॉन्ग फाइट फॉर दैट और आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग फाइट वी गेट सक्सीडेड इन 1990। We have sent several representations to Rajiv Gandhi, the minister of that. He said to commission J.C. Datta, one headed by J.C. Datta and second by C. Rangarajan, which the gentleman was the governor of India, governor of Reserve Bank of India. According to the report of that, the gold control was repealed by the succeeded Ministry of Janata Party. Madhu Dandavate repealed it. This is the statistics in precise, very shortly I have explained. And after that, as soon as the gold control was removed, thereafter there was a crowd of financially sound. मूलतः धंधा हमारा था, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं आर्थिक संपन्नता ने उसको ले लिया, उसको हजम कर गए और आज हालत ये है कि हम अपनी ही इंडस्ट्री के कारीगर बन गए। जो हमारा ट्रेड था वो आज हमारे लिए कारीगरी में कन्वर्ट हो गया है। विश्वास करिए 30,000 रुपए तक का, जब अभी तो चलिए कोविड की बात है, लेकिन जब तक 30,000 रुपए तो 10 ग्राम सोना था तब तक भी एक कारीगर 15,000 मुश्किल कमा पाता था 14 घंटे काम कर। ये हालत थी। इतनी प्रेसियस मेटल, इतना कॉस्टली मेटल होने के बाद उसके बावजूद आर्टिजन की, अब एक और आपको बताता हूँ, आर्टिजन की मान्यता थोड़ा प्रयास मैंने किया था और सक्सेसफुल है। ये गोल्ड को आर्टिजन में नहीं लिया जाता था, ले लिया गया। अब उसके बाद में आइए सर कि हमारी जो संख्या की समस्या आ रही है, हमारा ईच सेगमेंट, ये जो 5 सेगमेंट है, यदि आर्टिजन कार्ड को मैंडेटरी करवा देवे तो हमारे पास में टोटल काउंटिंग आ जाएगी। इस बात को समझिए जरा सा। हमें इतनी परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है कि हमारे पास में संख्या कहां से आएगी। हम यदि मैंडेटरी करवाने में सफल हो जाते हैं सर, तो हमारी टोटल जनसंख्या मोर और लेस हम करीब करीब पहुंच जाएंगे। आइए दूसरी बात है, अब इसी तरह से क्या है कि हमारे सारे धंधों की कहानी यही है मूलतः। और एक सबसे बड़ी बात बताता हूं सर, मेरा एक सजेशन है, इसको जरा सीरियसली लीजिएगा। 22 फरवरी 2017 को मैं पीयूष गोयल जी से मिलकर के एक मेगा क्लस्टर का ऑफ द आर्टिजन्स, मल्टीपल आर्टिजन्स, नॉट ओनली गोल्डस्मिथ, नॉट ओनली गोल्डस्मिथ, of total artisans, I give a letter to the gentleman that please make a mega cluster with convention center, with exhibition center, with customs, with hotels, with clusters of each and every segment separately in a vast area. At least in India there should be 4. But what happened? It was given to GJPC specifying jewelry park in Mumbai. That was already hijacked. The brain was hijacked by. I'll not go any furthermore. Next, technical university is compulsory. Surya sir, it's a very vital question. If we would like to rule the country, then the University of Vishwakarma community must be established in India at various places, because as soon as the multiple caste of our own communities will assemble, our childs will assemble, definitely intercaste, and the confidence will create amongst them, and that will determine the future rule of India. It's a very vital question and we should consider it seriously, क्योंकि शिक्षा और स्वास्थ्य हर सभ्यता का जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार होता है, लेकिन इस देश में इन दोनों बातों में ही भारत सरकार, चाहे कोई भी सरकार रही हो, कभी गंभीर नहीं हुई। हमने बहुत सजा लिया है दूसरों को, अब खुद को सजाना भी सीखे। और सर, जब तक हमारे पास में राजनीतिक सत्ता नहीं आएगी, हम कितना भी गिड़गिड़ाते रहे, हमें कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है। मैं, हो सकता है कि मैं फेल हूं, मैं कहता हूं मैं हारूं, मैं गलत साबित हूं, तो भी मेरा समाज जीतेगा, लेकिन मैं जानता हूं कि कुछ मिलेगा नहीं। जहां तक मेरा भी तजुर्बा है, मेरी एज भी सर लगभग 65 हो चुकी है, और इतना ही कहूंगा इसके लिए कि खाली आश्वासन हमको मिलते रहेंगे टॉफी के तरह, हम खाली सपनों में जीते रहेंगे। सदियों से हमारे साथ यही होता आया है। पहले हमारी स्थिति अच्छी इसलिए थी कि हमारी इंडस्ट्री हमारे हाथ में थी, आज हमारी इंडस्ट्री हमारे हाथ में नहीं है। आज हम क्या हुआ है, बनाने वाले हम, पेटेंट किसी और का, लोगो किसी और का, नाम किसी और का, इसी में हम कहीं ना कहीं खो गए। और सबसे बड़ा दुर्भाग्य क्या है सर, कि हमारे कुछ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव यदि लोकसभा या विधानसभा में पहुंच भी जाते हैं, तो या तो वो दबाव में जीते हैं, और हमारी जो अर्थ संपन्नता है वो भी हमें वांछित सहयोग नहीं करती है, हमें जो नीडेड सपोर्ट है वो नहीं करती है। ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा कारण है। हम अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड है, ये तो सच ही है। इट इज वेल नोन टू द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एज वेल। मैं अच्छी तरह जानता हूं सर, मैंने राजीव कुमार जी के साथ मिला था नीति आयोग, वहां भी मैंने ये कहा था सर कि मैंडेटराइज द आर्टिजन कार्ड, you will get the number of in total, but the only assurance was assurance I received, but not worth took place। और 7% तो देश पर राज कर रहे हैं सर। यदि हम 7% भी है, भाई साहब की संख्या के हिसाब से हम सभी का अभिनंदन करते हैं। आज बहुत अच्छा लगा कि यहाँ पर इंटेलिजेंस की अच्छी पकड़ है, अच्छी संख्या है, और 7% तो देश पर राज कर रहे हैं, और हम 7% यदि अकेले ही हैं, तो फिर हमें राज से कौन रोक सकेगा। राज करने की तरफ दिशा पकड़नी चाहिए। विश्वकर्मा पूजा की छुट्टी सर, एक बहुत गहरी बात बताता हूं, ध्यान से सुनिएगा। सम्राट अशोक का चक्र लगा लिया गया तिरंगे में, सम्राट अशोक के सिंह लगा लिए गए गवर्नमेंट उसमें, राजकीय मुद्रा में, राष्ट्रीय मुद्रा में उसके चिन्ह से ही चलता है देश। लेकिन सम्राट अशोक की जयंती किस दिन मनाता है ये देश, थोड़ा सोचिएगा। ऐसा नहीं है हमारे साथ हो रहा है, ये टोटली जो पहले बोल के गए ब्राह्मण्स, जो हमारे सज्जन बोले थे, वो एकदम सही बोल रहे हैं। इस बात को समझिए, कहीं ना कहीं गेम चल रहा है, उसको हमको थोड़ा जगना पड़ेगा, कहने का मतलब इतना ही है। और इसके अलावा ओबीसी के लिए मैंने रिप्रेजेंटेशन दिया था सर, रोहिणी कमीशन के सामने भी दिया था, उस समय भी मैंने ये बातें रखी थी। आप विश्वास करिए, लेकिन वर्थ कुछ नहीं हो रहा है। बहुत प्रयास किया गया, और सबसे बड़ी बात क्या है सर कि यदि देखिए किसी भी तकनीकी ज्ञान की बेहतरी के लिए, अच्छी तकनीकी ज्ञान के लिए छोटी उम्र में ही उस चैप्टर में इन्वॉल्वमेंट आवश्यक है। हमारे बच्चे यदि छोटी उम्र में क्लास 5 से, if the subject is included in the curriculum from class 6-5, it will result better, definitely it will establish better. This is my experience, whatever I have experienced। और इससे ज्यादा सर, की लेट बहुत हो चुका है, बोलना थोड़ा और भी था, लेकिन मैं और ज्यादा समय नहीं लूंगा। आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. Duleep Chand Kharel, very wonderful and yes, very sir. Encouraging. Very encouraging, Duleep Chand Kharel. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your good presentation. Now, next is Arun Kumar Vishwakarma from Madhya Pradesh, and he is going to present a paper on problems of hereditary or genetic artisans of India.
First of all, I would like to thank the Honorable Chair and especially organizer the opportunity to speak here, and I would like to also thanks to Government of India, because they have formed commission to consider the artisans. Before me, all respected speakers have given very important points regarding artisans, regarding Vishwakarma community. So I don't want to repeat it in detail. And my founder and my inspiration, Mr. V. Viswanathan, is for some problem he is left now. That's why I raise here some important points. what is the Vishwakarma community, and whose culture and civilization, especially research and creation, necessary construction work being done by the generation to generation by hereditary and genetic artisan, you can say genetic also, Vishwakarma community, etc., etc. This type of words is here already many times repeated. Now I want to enclose, I want to come knowledge. Some time ago, the central government of India has brought out a scheme for the traditional artisan of Muslim minority named Ustad, USTTAD, Ustad. There is no such plan for Hindu traditional artisan. No such plan for Hindu traditional artisan. Why these types of planning is also necessary for hereditary and genetic artisan among Hindus? There is a need to formulate a special plan for revival of such hereditary genetic artisan by the government. Here I am mentioned to Vishwakarma for hereditary artisan and genetic artisan. It is requires thinking seriously. Today's situation, how should we put our problems in front of the government? It is thinking very seriously. I thought so. I used hereditary artisan. It is also necessary to mention that there is a difference between hereditary and traditional artisan. There is some difference, hereditary and traditional artisan. Actually, hereditary and you can say genetic artisan also can be called as a traditional artisan, but traditional artisan is not called a hereditary artisan. Therefore, traditional artisans should not be considered as hereditary artisans. Yeah, it should be clear in mind. I think so. Now, I have some points here. Number one, if you see, there is a important point for man: roti, kapda, and makan. You know, food, clothes, and constructions also. There is in our central government, there is for roti, food ministry, for kapda, also ministry are set up. But for construction, there is no any ministry. That's why I want to raise for artisan ministry. Many times, I think Sankaran-ji has also told for our artisan ministry. So, artisan ministry should be formed. This is very compulsory, very necessary today. Now, second point is my for many ayog, many board set up in our central government to uplift the society and uplift the many fields. But there is a one important category, hereditary artisan. For hereditary artisan, for Vishwakarma community, there is no ayog, there is no any board. So I raised this point: National Hereditary Artisan Development Board should be formed, and also as well as National Hereditary Artisan Commission should be also. This is very important. This 3 point is very important for formed by the central government. And another is, in order to make each village self-dependent, के भी बात हो रही है, तो each village is self-dependent. In hereditary artisan, the hereditary artisan should be provided with financial facility as well as production and marketing to establish their cottage industries. I think it is very must. And last is one but not least, just as a Ustad scheme has been introduced for Muslim traditional artisan, similarly This scheme should be started for Hindus, hereditary genetic artisans. You can say Vishkarma community also. Now, there is a humble request to the Honorable Commission to accept the above suggestion and please make a recommendation to the central government. Thank you for giving me time, valuable time. Thank you, sir.
Oh, Arun Kumar Vishwakarma, very wonderful suggestions and very revolutionary suggestions. And I am so much happy with you.
Sir, thank you, sir.
It is fundamental and revolutionary. And we can necessarily submit it before the consideration of the commission. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now, the last speaker, Sri Pavan Kumar Thiman from Himachal Pradesh, Bangalore. I would request Pavan Kumar Thiman, sir, to present his.
Basically, I am very small person here, but I learned a lot from today's conclave. We had a lot of lesson from the very senior people, from the Dr. Rajendran, starting from there, Dr. Raghavan. You have taken the initiative and we started this conference, and today we are from the all part of India, and today we are talking about all our problem, and we are taking this problem to further. Now question is there from these things. A lot of things happened in the past, but how do we take these things to in future? That is our fight now. So we all people should be connected with the network, and we should all have a very good potential. I think everybody knows, and they have fight in the society also, with the government also, with the different political party also. But how do we take these things in the future, and how do we give justice to our community, especially for the Vishkarma? A lot of points are discussed, especially for the education, for the welfare of economical. How do we take these things? My suggestion here, just very small, I agree with every point who has taken, whether Dr. Rajendran taken, Dr. P.D. Acharya has taken, our chairman, Mr. Bose has taken. A lot of things they have given suggestion, and we should proceed with all unanimously with the positive note, and we should always support them. Whoever has very good contact in center with the political party, with the political person, we should take up our voice to them, and we should fight. We should not dominate ourselves in the future. We should fight with that problem. Now I wanted to suggest that in the commission that a lot of people, technical people, work in the village, especially that our carpenters, our mystery people, we generally call mystery. I've seen and I fought with the government in our Himachal Pradesh also. They accidentally, their deaths happen in the workplace, in village. So nobody bother about that. So I've raised this issue with our government that they should be given some insurance. These people should be considered as insurance. They should give it at least 2 lakh to 5 lakhs rupees if their death happen in the working place. They work with some village in the for normal house construction and all the things, but nobody bothered to pay something to them. So this thing also be considering that people who was in the skill level, people work in the village to assist the village for their house and all the things. And if some untimely death happen due to some accident happen, some during the building the house, somebody fall from there, it happen. That should be must be considered. And in future, we should consider, and we keep meeting these people, keep meeting each other and discuss the point. Today, I think meeting has gone very long, and most of people want to get out from this soon now. So I will conclude that, and thank you very much for your suggestion. We will in future will take the point and will always help you. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Pavan Kumar Thiman, and we can move together for the coming years, for the coming time. And this is the end of the paper presentations. Now, the last point, I mean, the last program is we have to invite chairman for concluding remarks.
Raghavan sir, just a line I would like to speak. Please don't introduce ourselves as Karigar or etc. Just a carpenter means a person. A carpenter means a person. Don't demean ourselves, because there are a lot who demean us. But don't demean ourselves. A carpenter means a person who makes the furniture. A goldsmith means a person who makes the ornament from gold. So, sir, we should raise our prestige. Please. This is my humble submission. और अब की बार विश्वकर्मा सरकार.
Oh, this is the first time such a pan-India Vishwakarma conclave is meeting together, and it must be a good gesture for all of us. And from every part of India, we are joining together, and we could submit a comprehensive report, our submission before the commission, and that will help much to us for the development. And we can join together further and further for joining with, for demanding all the propositions you have submitted, and we can meet together, we can come together. And thank you for all the best.
Thank you very much. We should strengthen our network. That is important.
Yes. Further, and sir, we can make it in a this situation. This conclave can become a normal organization.
We should have only, sir. We will advise that we should have at least five participation who's speaker, and rest people listen and will listen their advice also.
Okay.
At least 5 speakers who can give advice, and other can give whether they are agree or not agree. That will be good.
So we together, those people who are meeting today will become a workable format and a workable, what is a working group? I should think.
Yes.
Just like that, a working group for the
very nice
for further activities, to meet the government people, to meet the central government, to meet the chairman, to meet the commission, and to get the things done. Okay.
Yes, and we need now this. We were talking about Mr. P.D. Acharya, also talk about Mr. B. Vishwanathan there. We will meet BJP President Mr. J.P. Nadda. I know him very personally, and we will try to get some nomination for the Rajya Sabha. God should raise the voice. Let's fight for that.
Why not, sir? It will be better.
Yes.
Why not?
Yes. We must. So we must do the thing for the benefit
this is
of
only
the
possible if we can strengthen there. Yes.
Yeah. Fine. So thank you for.
It's a good sign. It's a good sign, and intelligence should always gather at least once a month.
Yes. Sir, thank you, sir.
Creator.
And we need to put pressure.
It is a good strength.
Political things will never happen until we put the pressure. It will never happen.
It is a good strength.
Yeah.
It is a good strength for all of us. It is a good strength.
Yes.
Okay, sir. So thank you, and good night.
Sir, your voice is
Again.
Pardon?
Again, sir. Congratulate to you, sir. Congratulate to you, sir, for this organized webinar.
Yeah,
and
thank you very much, Mr.
So I will get in touch with.
Thank you.
Okay, I will get in touch with all of you, and I will send a message, and I will call you every time. Okay.
Just big, yes, true.
Okay. So we can get in touch with each other. Everyone, then now. Okay. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good night.
Good night.
Yes. Okay.